The tribal dance of Kambara Nrittam is associated with agricultural activities and paddy fields. During the planting season of paddy, the men folk of the Adiyan tribal community of Wayanad go around the fields dancing and singing, while their women folk plant new rice plants in the field.